What's good, YouTube? Welcome to the
Hi.
baby room.
Our nursery is done, finally. Kind of what we were thinking for this room was we wanted originally to do an animal theme, and then it sort of kind of went into
Evolved or devolved.
went to camping theme.
Yeah, we'll get into
So it's a mix. This is our reading area. So I liked these shelves because it displayed all the front of the bookcases. And I found these on Amazon. They have a bar going across, so that way, the books won't fall. And it comes in a set of 3. Really, actually pretty easy to install. Not bad.
Yeah.
And then this is a family heirloom. My aunt made that for me when I was in, I think, 2nd grade. And it was in my room for my whole childhood, and now it will be in his room. This floor lamp is from IKEA. They still sell it. They have this in a table lamp version, so it's basically the same thing but just way shorter. And then this table is just something from Amazon. I honestly don't even remember the brand, but super cheap. And then these are also from Amazon. So these are gingham curtains. We got the tan. I think they come in a few different other colors and lengths depending on how tall your wall is. This is also from Amazon. I feel like this is like the Amazon corner. It's actually surprisingly very, very comfortable. I was kind of worried when we got it, but it rocks and it's super easy to install. It comes totally assembled except for the legs, so you just pop the legs on. But I really originally wanted a recliner, so what I did instead was just got an ottoman. And this I got from Target. This is the Kessler ottoman from the brand Threshold at Target. And it's really cozy too. So I love this corner. I come in here by myself sometimes just to hang out. This is his sleeping area. This is the infamous Baby Leto crib. I think it's the 3-in-1 or 4-in-1 crib. So right now it's in baby setting. So it means the mattress is at its highest point and it's in crib form. As he gets older, you'll be able to lower the crib mattress to this 2nd level. And then eventually this piece comes off and they'll just have a toddler piece. So there's no longer a crib, it's just a toddler bed. So it's kind of cool because you don't have to buy a new bed for a while, which is always nice.
You just have to hold on to the manual forever.
The sheets are from Little Unicorn. It's like a swaddle material, so it's really cozy. This swaddle blanket is from Aiden and Anise. So this little rattle and his little mobile, they are from Mary, which is a party shop, and they have really cool party supplies like paper goods, but they also have baby stuff. The mattress, I was targeted so many times on Instagram for the Newton breathable baby mattress, and we got it, and it really honestly does work. We both put our face up to here.
Yeah, you times. Literally shove your face right into it
and you can
still
breathe.
So.
You breathe right through it. It's kind of wild. This frame is just from IKEA, and then this was on the back is a menu, and then this is a map of Twin Peaks, which is our favorite TV show. We got it when we were visiting up in Snoqualmie, Twin Peaks. I think it's Tweety's Cafe.
So it's nice to have some meaningful memories in the baby's room.
This is Melissa and Doug. So this rug we actually got from Home Depot. It comes in different sizes, and a lot of other brands sell it. So I think it's also on Rugs USA, Rugs Direct. The only thing is that it's a little bit more gray in person.
Yeah, you wanted more white.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be more. I'm actually happy it's more gray because it's a little bit more forgiving, but just online it looks pretty tan, and in person I was shocked how gray it looks, but I still liked it. And then for his diaper station, this is the Ubby pail. This is the pail everybody has. So I like this because 2 things. One, you can lock it. So right now it's locked. So when he's older, he can't get in there and mess with his gross diapers.
Yeah, that's where the treasure is.
Really nasty. But then you unlock it and you open it. Oh,
well, now you locked it.
Oh, did I lock it? Yeah, I locked it. I liked this because a lot of the anti-smell diaper pails, you have to buy specific garbage bags to go with it. And this one, it was good because you can just use any old garbage bag. So it ends up being a cost saver. This is the Kikaroo, which is also a very popular baby item. I liked this because number one, it's super easy to clean. It's silicone, so you could just take a wipe and wipe it down really easy, not like the cloth ones. And and it's sturdy. So you don't really need one of those trays, those diaper trays that people have when you have one of the softer, lighter ones. I found this on Facebook Marketplace, but it's everywhere. You can just get it online, Kikaroo. This I found at Home Goods. I wanted the IKEA Stockholm mirror, but I found this one at Home Goods for way less money. This is also IKEA. This is I think it's the Hemnes line. And it comes in, they have a long dresser version that I've seen. They have the nightstand version, and then this is just the middle Goldilocks.
Well, you got this height because you wanted it as also your changing table as well.
Yeah, and we also can't fit anything larger. But it comes with a anti-tip set, so we have not installed that yet.
It's pretty good, but for some reason that motion just goes crazy.
But it fits diapers and all that stuff really easy. So I have all of his diapers, changing pads, wipes, all of that. And it fits it all very comfortably, even though it's not the longer version. I got this from Amazon, but you can also get it at Walmart. It's just a plug-in sconce. So there's like a little plate that attaches to the wall, and then you slide the paper lantern on top of it with a light bulb. It really has a warm, low glow light to it, which I really liked. So if I'm doing a diaper change in the middle of the night, I don't have to turn on all the lights. I can just turn on this one. It's not so jarring in the middle of the night when we're tired. This was the first thing we did. We painted the room before we knew anything about what we were doing. This is a Benjamin Moore color. It's very powdery blue. It's very pretty, but it, for some reason, dries way darker than when you sample it. This light is from IKEA. They don't make it anymore, unfortunately, but I found it on eBay. I think we got it delivered from Spain. I was obsessed with this thing. I could not get it out of my head. I wanted it so bad. Unfortunately, you can't get it at IKEA anymore.
It's just a fun little thing.
Yeah, it's originally from IKEA, but they don't sell it. I don't know why. IKEA, come on, bring it back. It's so good. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.